Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. I missed talking to you guys. Came back very tired yesterday. Went to a house party, had so much fun. And it was not like a crazy house party, it was just the kind where we're mostly couples and we're just having conversations about relationship, business. It was nice, it was really nice. Anyway, I'm going out now, stepping out. We need to get a fridge for the house. We have a freezer, we have a small freezer, but we don't have a fridge. And because we're deciding to take our fitness very seriously, I actually think we need a fridge, because the weird thing is the fridge, we've just been pushing it forward. We'll get it later, we'll get it later. Now we need to get it, otherwise when we meal prep, it cannot stay on my head and some things cannot stay in the freezer. So hopefully it's not so expensive. We'll find out. Come with me. I'm taller than this fridge. You guys, good morning. I woke up so happy. It's not been long I woke up. And it's been raining all like since last night, since yesterday actually. When you stopped me from being as excited as I didn't know that people could get so happy from getting like tiny things. The refrigerator I got is making me so happy. Oh my god. Let's go and see it. Nothing is in here just yet. Oh. I'm excited. I am too excited. But I feel like if we had gotten something bigger, there'll be no space to put it soon. Because what we initially had in mind of getting was something smaller. But when we got there and we saw what it looked like, it's like, it won't fit in anything. But yeah, you guys, I'm so happy. Time to eat my regular breakfast. That's my way of happy. remembers when we're little and a family member will reach out to your parents and be like, oh, can your baby come on holiday to my house? Or when you want to go and visit like an older family member and you're like, Mommy, I want to go on holiday to this person's house. Well, it's not just children that go on holiday. Because I'm going on holiday to my brother-in-law's house. With my husband, of course. But yeah. We're going to be there from now until the weekend. Saturday. Specifically. Because I think some people call Sunday weekend. But yeah, we're like workers in church, so can't be there till Sunday and have stuff to do. Like you have to be back by Saturday and then go on Sunday. Anyway, there's something I've been meaning to tell you guys, but I've been thinking about the right time to tell you guys, and for some weird reason, the right time just never comes. So I'm just going to tell you guys now. Remember that I've been talking about going into modeling, fashion modeling, so I took a course for it. And the practical class of the modeling is on Thursday, that's tomorrow. So your baby girl is going for a shoot, and yeah, it's not runway modeling, it's fashion modeling, so nobody should come for me and my height. But yeah, I'm really hungry. It's past 1 and I haven't eaten, so I think we should get going now so that we get there early and then I can find something to eat. Did you come and eat what? Thank you. I packed my load as if I'm not going home again.
Is a privilege. You do not have privileges.